So here is the jet planer. I am going to run a 13-inch wide white oak board, 12 and a half, let's call it, 12 and a half inch wide white oak board through and see how it goes.